one in the door. It's the other one. I've got Coke too.
Oh, no.
Eat it up, big guy.
I want chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk? Schlocket milk.
Did Santa tell you to leave chocolate milk?
Yeah.
He told
Yes,
Jesse.
ma'am.
Hot dog.
No. This is not Burger King.
Well,
We've got a beautiful meal prepared. Grandmommy's worked
if you
hard
would
making
rather
all this.
have, rather than this meat, if you'd like to have chicken nuggets, because I think Josie is going to want chicken nuggets.
Yeah, look.
Check,
This is what's
look over
being
here and
served.
see. Look over
Here's-
there. Daddy smoked that.
This is the beautiful menu. This is what we're eating. Yeah. We're not doing that.
Yeah, because Josie's going to eat the rest of that too.
What?
You want milk?
Yes.
Okay. I got you. All right, Susie.
Is that
Here are
where's the tea?
a couple of lips.
Carter Man.
You work
Carter Man.
He is getting so big. And what you getting into, Megaboo? Is she okay?
$3.75.
What are you guys getting into? Wait a minute. Just looking at Grandmommy's decorations. Don't break anything. Just look and.
There's a nickel. Sit in the chair.
There's nothing out here
What's this do? Just.
We
Oh,
made
no.
their picture on the front.
Sat up last night watching home video. Carter's made a. I'll show it to you. You guys.
All these are slush.
What is all this? Is this like the Easter stuff too?
This is Easter.
It's Easter stuff? Megan, you want me to get your hair bow and get your hair out of your face? Huh?
We're going to move this table in the kitchen for you girls to sit at.
Wow.
Oh, goody.
This tape.
No, this table you're sitting at. This will be where you get to sit for lunch in the kitchen.
Look.
What is it? Play. Oh, it's Silly Putty.
Let's see. Ew, Mommy.
What?
Ew.
Ew.
Not ew. Let me see.
Silly putty.
Let me see. That's a buddy.
Tell you what, Megan.